at Julian's Art Flow. I hope you're all safe and you're all well. So, lots of excitement. I have decorated my studio. I call it studio because it's my spare room. It was a really tired, dark kind of not really inspiring cream colour, so I've just flipped it completely and I've gone for brilliant white. I like brilliant white. I just think it's just lovely and it's fresh and I'm loving it. So I was hanging up some paintings and I suddenly thought, gosh, what fun it would be to do another one like this on a 12 by 24 canvas using the same colourway as I used on this one, but this time do a Dutch pour and blow it out with the hairdryer. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm using exactly the same colourway as I did before, which was Prussian Blue, and I got it written down because I write everything down with these. It was Winsor and Newton Prussian Blue and DecoArt Metallic Pewtar, which I've got some left over. This one is DecoArt Metallic Ice Blue with some of the white purlin, and this one is CassArt Ultramarine Blue. The base was a split base of CassArt. It was actually the original base, apparently, was Winsor and Newton Paynes grey and runoff black. So the black would have had something else in it. But I've just done a Paynes grey, Winsor and Newton Paynes grey, and a CassArt black. And just, my paints are really, really, really fluid. And then the other colour is, of course, the Pebeo Studio Acrylic Silver. I'm going to prep the canvas down below. I'll meet you down there. Okay, so I've now got the base on. I hope you're fine there because you're long ways, because that's the way I want to blow it, this way and this way. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go for it and hope it's fine. So let's try oh gosh. I want to blow up and I want to blow down. So really I do want
feel like 250,000 bricks are on your shoulder, weighing you down, even though we're floating weightless in the solar. The planet feels heavy right now. Don't be distracted with all the madness. Learn to heal as quick as you feel. The power is magic. Don't make a habit to run you so fragile. Gotta stay in the light, keep a high vibe to be effective. Slow, rest your weary soul. Slow it down. Don't forget to sleep. Close your eyes and breathe. Slow it down. Restore that energy that you've been burning, day in and out. Proud of every mile you make despite the hurting. Keep your spirit safe and sound, and don't be distracted with all the madness. Learn to heal as quick as you feel. The power is magic. Don't make a habit to run yourself ragged. Gotta stay in the light, keep a high vibe to be effective. Slow, rest your weary soul. Slow it down. Don't forget to sleep. Close your eyes and breathe.
So I'm not sure they're exactly hanging straight, but I think this one might be a little bit off. I am terrible. I'm terrible at trying to hang pictures straight. But there we are. That is 2 paintings using exactly the same colours. And as you can see, because I've used a different technique, they look different, obviously. I don't know what I was going to say then. I have one more to do. So I want to do one, which is the next one I'm going to do, which will be exactly the same colours again. But this time I'm going to do flip cup. And so again, we'll get a different effect. But honestly, I don't know. I couldn't say which one I liked the best. I think they have both got beautiful attributes to them. So leave a comment down below. Let me know if you think one is better than the other. Don't forget before you go to subscribe and leave me a great big thumbs up. Until I see you again, well, take care, stay safe. I'll see you soon.
Rest your